low-profile Clarke CMC60 car creeper and mechanic seat is an ingenious 3-in-1 design that is ideal for mechanics and DIY users alike. The frame is manufactured from heavy-duty steel with a tough, wipe-clean powder-coated finish, while the cushions are covered in a wipeable faux leather material. The 6 smooth-rolling nylon swivel casters offer stability and easy maneuverability, and the soft and adjustable back and headrest give the user added comfort. The clever design of the CMC60 enables it to quickly and simply convert in seconds from a car creeper into a reclined seat, and then into a mechanic seat by simply releasing the latch pin and lifting the frame. The mechanic seat and the reclined position both make it a comfortable exercise to work on lower parts of a vehicle, while the low profile of the creeper makes working on a vehicle underside simple. So if you regularly do maintenance on vehicles, either as a mechanic or DIYer, then save your aching back with the CMC60 3-in-1 folding car creeper and seat.